Adolescent control and possession. Hidden crisis. From the period of adolescence, teenagers begin to exhibit a desire for control. This desire includes not only control over others but also over various aspects of life. This mindset emerges during this period and gradually becomes part of their character. It is an attempt to explore oneself, find one's place and power. However, this desire for control can lead to various problems. What is even more concerning is that this desire for control often intertwines with a desire for possession. Teenagers may try to satisfy their desire for possession by controlling others. This combination can lead to a range of issues, including an excessive focus on material possessions and money, as well as inappropriate control over others. This behavior negatively impacts teenagers' healthy development, academic performance, and interpersonal relationships. The combination of control and possession leads teenagers to overly focus on material possessions and money. They may perceive having more possessions or wealth as a symbol of success, which causes them to overlook other important values and relationships. This misguided value system may result in challenges in their future lives, making it difficult for them to establish healthy connections with others. In this critical period, teenagers may struggle mentally and behaviorally due to impulses related to control and possession. They may exhibit excessive desire to control people and situations around them, which may result in conflicts with others. This situation can lead to problems in their interpersonal relationships and even affect their emotional and mental health. Parents and educators play a crucial role during this stage. They should engage in honest conversations with teenagers to help them understand the potential risks of control and possession, guiding them to manage such desires appropriately. Through this guidance, teenagers can better understand the importance of treating others equally and avoid falling into the traps of control and possession. At the same time, society needs to pay attention to the potential mental health issues teenagers might face during this stage. Excessive desire for control could lead to anxiety, depression, and other emotional issues. Providing psychological support and counseling is essential in helping teenagers navigate through these challenges. Teenagers in this stage are at a critical phase of forming their thoughts, values, and behavior. Parents and educators not only need to help them recognize the dangers of control and possession but also guide them in establishing proper values and life perspectives. This involves providing them with diverse education and experiences, allowing them to view the world from different angles. Parents and schools should closely monitor changes in teenagers' behavior and emotions, as these changes may indicate internal conflicts and struggles. By timely communication and guidance, they can help teenagers face these challenges better and achieve growth during this crucial period. During this period, teenagers may encounter the internet and social media, making them more susceptible to the behavior and opinions of others. Therefore, parents and educators should help them develop critical thinking and self-awareness, allowing them to stay clear-headed and independent when encountering external information. Ultimately, we need to consider how to balance teenagers' desire for control and possession during this critical period. How can they pursue self-realization without impacting others? How can parents and educators find appropriate methods to help them grow? These questions are worth our serious consideration and effort to solve, so that teenagers can grow up in a healthy and harmonious environment. How can teenagers in this process better understand the importance of treating others equally? Can they maintain independent thinking while respecting others and building trust? These questions require our in-depth reflection. How can we find the right methods to help them grow during this process?